everyone, and welcome back to another video. So spring is finally starting to arrive and I am so excited. I cannot wait for the sun to shine and for longer days. I am so ready to be spending a lot more time outside again. All the animals in the forest are becoming so much more active. The birds have been going crazy. It's so nice to hear bird songs all day long again. I was sitting in the middle of the forest waiting for birds and bits of tree branches kept falling on my head, and I looked up to see this woodpecker right above me preening and pecking on the branches, which I thought was really sweet. The weather hasn't really improved. We've had mostly overcast, cloudy days and lots of rain, which has been really annoying for lots of reasons. One of them being the buzzards have been really active lately, which has been so cool. I think there's about 3 pairs that I'm seeing every day at the moment. There has been, or well, there should have been nice opportunities to photograph them, but they're either too far away or the lighting is terrible. Or they're flying in between the trees, so I haven't got the shot that I really want to have yet. I have been on the hunt for owls for the past 2 months because I have been hearing them calling, and I actually did see them twice in the dark, but I cannot find them anywhere. I have searched everywhere, and I mean everywhere. I have looked in every tree hollow I can find. I have searched the areas where I've seen them and further. So if anyone has any tips, I would greatly appreciate it. I feel like I should be able to see them even from a distance. Tawny owls aren't much smaller than buzzards, and I can spot a buzzard from a good distance away, but apparently not these owls.
Hey, how do you spend your days?
Looking for this.
Is this what I've been trying to find? Is this it? Oh, can you see? Is this the owl pellet that I've been trying to find?
It looks like it. Oh, is that bones? Okay, If you have been watching my channel for a while, you might remember last year I photographed a black woodpecker's nest, and I was hoping to do the same this year. When I went back to look at the nest, I did see woodpeckers there a couple of times. However, it looks like they have been evicted and a family of nuthatches have moved in instead, which is also okay. I mean, it just means I'm gonna have to go and look for woodpeckers. While watching the nuthatches, I also spotted a blue tit in a neighboring tree making a nest, which is also really nice. So that is what I have for you guys this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm currently just waiting on the sun to shine. I'm also waiting on the red kites to come back. I'm looking for owls, and I'm enjoying watching little birds make their nests. I would love to know what you've been up to and what you're photographing. You can let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!